What if your deepest desire, that burning whisper in your soul, is actually your true north? For too long, many of us wander, adrift in a sea of obligations, without a star to guide our own ship. You might feel lost, caught in the undertow of expectations, believing your dreams are just pipe dreams. But every great journey, from the smallest step to the grandest expedition, began with a single courageous search for meaning. What if the greatest tragedy isn't failure, but never truly knowing what you were put on this earth to do? Think of Maya Angelou, who found her voice and purpose after immense struggle, becoming a beacon of truth for millions. Finding your calling isn't a single aha moment. It's a relentless pursuit, a daily conversation with your truest self. Stop waiting for permission. Start charting your course today, even if it's just one tiny degree of change. Because when you unlock your authentic purpose, you don't just transform your own life. You ignite a ripple effect that touches everyone around you. Your purpose is waiting. Answer the call and live the extraordinary life you were destined for.